Hi everybody, this is Lance from ThetaTraders.com. This video I'm going to go over the broken ring butterfly, how the strategy has been working out in the few weeks that we've been learning it for members. Been doing really good so far on this pretty straightforward strategy, making over 5% per week on this strategy. Right now it's the number one strategy that we're doing in terms of weekly percentage gains, more than 112s, more than covered strangles, more than consistent passive profits, low delta puts. So let's go over some of the outtakes on it and how we're doing well on them. And so here in our Discord group, we have the Broken Wing Butterfly. This goes to lifetime members. If you're interested, you can do a free 7-day trial. You could see the strategy, have a strategy guide here. You could see a few alerts as well. And it's a very straightforward strategy. We're going to be entering in on Monday. So if you're interested, you want to join in on the trial before Monday. We'll do it about an hour after market open. And then strategy guide document has it all here. We're going to be looking at the strikes that I alert beforehand. So members will be ready for approximate strikes. It's not going to be necessarily exactly because I'm going to be alerting these on the weekend. But if there's a gap up or down, we're going to be shifting those strikes. But just you're able to have that research here available beforehand so you know what strikes you're looking for. And then I show where I filled on my trade. So in the weekend, last weekend, I alerted selling two of the 4270s, buying the 4280, buying the 4250. I go over exactly the reasons why based on the strategy guide that you could read here. And then when we actually entered, we went a little bit different because it did gap up a little bit. So we sold two of the 4280 puts, bought a 4290, and bought a 4260. This makes it a broken wing butterfly because we're 10 with here where we bought a debit spread, but then we sold a 20 with spread, credit spread in this case. The credit spread here is more that you're taking in a premium than the debit spread is here. And remember, we're selling two of the 4280s. So you could think of it as one contract being part of a put debit spread here and one contract being part of a put credit spread here. Based on the differences that we're getting here, we're getting a net credit. And in this case, I filled it at 0.5. So we took in $50 per contract on this particular trade. I say exactly how to enter the trade. It only needs $950 in buying power, so it's small account friendly. If you don't have a large account, you can do this with just a little under $1,000 here. The profits on the tail, meaning if we stay above that 4290, we're going to make $50 over 950, which is 5.3% in a week. And we're going to stop out at 5x premium on this case, so stop out at 2.5. But we're going to manually check because a lot of the times you might get stopped out even though the actual position is not really challenged. On the broken wing butterflies, you got to be careful on that since there's quite a few moving parts in the trade. It could easily close you out on it when you're not ready for it. Then I do mention updates throughout the week. So we started it with a 0.11, about 1.2 delta on the sold puts. It went down to a delta of 0.06 middle of the week. So we're in good shape there because it was likely that all these would expire worthless. And then we keep that $50 off the 950 per contract. And then just look like a winner. Got 5.3% in a week. And next, we're going to look on the spreadsheet to show the previous trades that we did in the broken wing butterfly. Right now, we're 3 for 3, so 100% win rate, and we made at least 5% each week on this strategy. All right, so here are the broken wing butterfly trades that we've did every week so far. And a relatively new strategy, we only did 3 trades, but all the trades did work out. And in this case, we saw the 1107 expiration, able to take in 70 premium. I also saw the expected move. So we usually go a little bit past the expected move. So we don't stop out on a lot of trades here, but still getting good returns of that 5+% a week. So in this one, we took in 70 over 950, 70 divided by 950, looking at 7.3% that week. The week after, did 60 over 950, 6.3%. And then the last one was about 57 over 950, and you get about 6% return on the week. So it's going to be a pretty viable trade in most cases. We're going to be looking at momentum indicators to determine where we actually enter our strikes. Sometimes we'll go for a little bit more premium, sometimes we'll go for a little less, but depending on the VIX, depending on what the indicators are showing, and we'll be able to make good profits on it. So if you're interested, join that free 7-day trial, thetatraders.com. And I'll see you guys on the Discord. Feel free to ask me any questions either in the comment section of this YouTube video or in the Discord. Again, Lance from thetatraders.com. Thanks for watching. Everyone have a great weekend and see you guys on the next one.